Arya, it's recording.
Oh my god! So my favourite element is Hi, my name's Kavya. Welcome to our 5-minute curiosity project. Hiya, my name's Arya and I'm 9. Okay. Didi, can you help me take this down? It's too high.
No, Chicky, okay? Okay, listen. It can stay here. It's easier for you to just take a stool and stand, okay? I can bend. I'm not bending down. But hi everybody. Welcome to our 5-minute curiosity project. This is Kavya and this is Arya. Arya will introduce our topic today.
What are we doing?
Arya.
Hi, I'm Kavya. This is my dad. And this is Arya, as you know, and welcome to our 5-minute curiosity project. Now, today we're going to be talking about...
Stop looking at the cricket.
Cool. So when we talk about the Andromeda galaxy, right?
Hold on. Arya. What are you doing?
So if Moana. Your mother always calls it Moana.
So what can I say except you're welcome for the tide, the sun, the sky.
Guys, please, you're not serious at all.
Hi, my name's Kavya. Welcome to our 5-minute curiosity project. Hiya, my name's Arya and I'm 9. Okay.
If you liked our videos, please like them and leave us comments to let us know how to improve them and make them more enjoyable for you and everybody else watching them.
If you liked our video, please subscribe. I have no idea what that means, but everyone says that at the end of the video, so just please do it.